Did you know your windshield is more than just a window? It's a crucial part of your vehicle's structural integrity. Even minor cracks can compromise safety during collisions or rollovers, putting you and your passengers at risk. Cracked windshields impair visibility, increasing accident risks, especially in Maryland's unpredictable weather. Rain, snow, or fog can make driving with a damaged windshield even more hazardous. Don't let a small crack become a big problem. Maryland's weather extremes can quickly turn minor chips into major cracks. Freezing winters and scorching summers accelerate damage. Same-day replacement prevents small damages from escalating into costly repairs, ensuring your windshield remains intact and safe. Traditional repairs disrupt daily routines, but mobile services come to you. EV Autoglass offers same-day service, saving time and minimizing disruption. Professional services ensure ADAS recalibration, maintaining vehicle safety and functionality. Schedule your replacement today.